Hey y'all, it's Day, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys like my everyday makeup routine that I'm using currently, summer of 2019. I pretty much, everything I'm going to do today, I pretty much do every day, like if I'm going to work. There's a couple of things I do different on the weekend, and I'll talk about that and whatnot. But this is going to be like my everyday routine and what I pretty much use every day, and I'll do some honorable mentions of things I flip back and forth with. So starting off, I use the CoverGirl's Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Primer. This is a really good primer for me. I have really oily skin, and this does a good job keeping my skin looking good all day. And I just put a little bit like all over my face, especially on my eyelids, because I don't use like eyelid primer. Yeah. And I'm gonna try to talk through this video. Hopefully I talk the whole way through. I don't like doing videos where I'm like doing something and talking, because I feel like I started doing stupid stuff. But I'm gonna try to talk this whole video because y'all said y'all like to hear me talk, so I'm gonna run my mouth. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I got this from Target. I love this pencil since I've got my eyebrows microbladed. So my eyebrows are microbladed, so the only thing I really focus on filling in is like right here and right there. And the rest of it I can kind of just brush and it'll start looking full. So if you guys haven't seen my microblading video, make sure you guys, I need a mirror. I don't know why I'm trying to do my makeup in this camera. But if you guys haven't seen my microblading video, make sure you guys check that out. I've got my 2 touch-ups. I'm gonna go back and do the 3rd touch-up. But yeah. And I think this is the shade Espresso, if I'm not mistaken. I was normally using the dark shade, but I accidentally picked this up by mistake. And I think I should use, ooh, I got primer I didn't rub in. See, that's why I need that mirror, and I don't need to be trying to do my makeup in the camera. I don't know how people do that. Those like professional YouTubers right there. But yeah, I just go through and line the bottom. So I'm not gonna be doing like a full-blown like this is how you do everything tutorial. I'm just gonna show y'all like what I use and what I do. But see, that's all I did for the tail. Line that bottom part, and then I take like, the reason why I really like this is because this right here, the tip of this is so small, you can kind of like draw hairs, and it looks like you got hairs. So yeah, those are my brows, kind of. Something like that. And then after I draw them on nice and good, I take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. I take that and clean them up just a teeny bit. I don't even use like a small eyebrow brush to go through and do it. I use this brush right here. And my brushes are dirty, y'all. I know I need to clean them. Don't judge me. Judge them over. I'll clean them later whenever I get a chance, but I ain't cleaning them today, so y'all gonna get what I got. And I only do the bottom. I really don't mess with the top. Some people do, some people don't. You do what you gotta do for your face. Like, I'm not a makeup professional. I'm not a makeup guru. I don't claim to be. I'm just doing what is comfortable for me and what is easy for me. That's the thing about makeup. There's like no right or wrong. If you click on anybody's videos, everybody's doing something different. There's no right or wrong. Just do what's comfortable for you and what's best for you. So after I do my brows, I go ahead and do my foundation. You can do your concealer first or your foundation, but again, do what's comfortable for you, what you like to do. Y'all, I love this foundation. I was using Fenty Beauty, and I still love my Fenty Beauty, and I feel like such a traitor not using Fenty Beauty, but this right here, I just love it. Like, I really just love it. It's like my perfect complexion. I'm using shade Deep Golden 2, I think. They have like 2 Deep Golden, and one time I accidentally picked up the other Deep Golden by mistake, and that was a horrible fail because that was like a chocolate skin tone, and I'm like brown. yellowish. And I would have never even thought to buy this because I always thought like I need to get expensive foundation if I want a good looking finish. But I somehow, some way, your girl ended up on the CoverGirl PR list. And they sent me this and I was like, let me just try it. And I fell in love. This was like my second bottle. So I do still use my Fenty Beauty just on like special occasions because that is like $30, $40 a bottle. But I use this every day, like on my everyday, like I'm going to work, nothing special type of thing. And it lasts all day. I love how at the end of the day, my skin, to be real, if you got oily skin, like super oily skin, there's really nothing that's gonna keep you matte all day. Like, it'll keep you matte for hours, but if I'm talking about all day, like I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, put my makeup on, and by the time I go take my makeup off at 8, 9 o'clock at night, I'm gonna be nice and oily. This is like the only thing that gives me like a nice finish. Like instead of looking oily, I look dewy, like intentionally dewy. So I start off the day matte, and then by the end of the day, I look like I had like a dewy makeup. And I like that it's really lightweight and buildable. Like look at this, y'all. And yes, my beauty blender is dirty. Don't judge me. Judge your mother. Judge your mother. Even though your mama probably wouldn't use a dirty beauty blender, but just don't judge me today. And normally in the morning, I would say my makeup routine takes me like 10-15 minutes. But I feel like because I'm talking and this is not comfortable at all for me to do my makeup not in front of a big mirror, it's gonna take me a little bit longer. This is it. This is that foundation. It goes on shiny, but when it dries matte. And it looks really soft. It's like a soft matte, like a velvet matte. Not a dry matte, but like a nice soft velvet matte. So next, I'm gonna go through and highlight. And this is the Crayon Cases highlighter in shade number 5. With my highlighter, I go back and forth. Sometimes I use this like light yellowish, brownish color. And sometimes I go through with the darker color that's almost the shade of Fawn in LA Girl Pro, which is number 6 in the Crayon Cases, and go through and do that. And then what I'll do is switch my setting powder. So with this number 6 or number 5, which is the lighter color in the Crayon Case, I'm gonna go through and use my Fenty Beauty setting powder, which is a darker brown, to kind of tone it back down so I'm not looking super yellow. And then if I use the other one, I'll use the banana, I think it's the banana, but whatever the light colored Crayon Case setting powder, I'll use that to lighten it up. I don't know if that made sense. And I focus on getting these bags under my eyes because your girl getting old. And when I don't drink enough water or when I'm tired, ooh, it shows. It be showing, y'all, it be showing. I don't know how these beauty gurus be doing it. I need to look into their makeup setup so I can comfortably do my makeup on camera. Because my fear is I'm going to go through and do my whole face and look stupid and be like, this is not how I normally look. So I forgot to press record. I don't know where I went wrong. But I've gone through already and I just went through with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Went through and dabbed that on like that. I'm gonna recreate it for y'all. That's what I did. And then to add some more color back to my face, I used their Fenty Beauty, what is it, Cocoa Naughty bronzer. And I literally just took a brush and went like that and went like that. And then took another brush, went right here and went right there. Took the brush again, down there, and up there. And the whole point of me doing that is just to add color to my face. I don't really contour. I like how my face looks. I don't want to change the shape of my face. I don't want to look like not me. But because I use that yellow concealer, I want to make sure that I put some color back in my face and I don't look like I'm going to my own funeral. I don't look like I'm coming out the casket or going inside the casket. I want to look nice and colorful and warm and nice. And now while I guess I'm baking, whatever the case may be, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs eyeliner pencil. That dang on Fenty Beauty eyeliner stick or a tip of that gets so flimsy after like 2 or 3 weeks. And I was using Stila before and I just really want to use like black products on a regular. So I tried this one and I love this. So I'm using this forever. Like this got me sold. The tip, I've had this for about a month and a half now and it's still a lot of rich color coming out of it and the tip is really good. So I'm gonna go through and do my I really don't want to do my eyeliner on camera now that I think about it, because I don't want to mess it up, and it's hard. I still mess up from time to time, so I think I'm gonna take it off camera. If you guys want to see me do a video for eyeliner, let me know and I'll research a way, some way where I can comfortably sit down in front of a mirror and do it. But I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner. Okay, so my eyes are lined, nothing too dramatic. I have hooded eyes, so it's hard for me to do dramatic hooded eyes. I think I've only successfully done it a handful of times, so I kind of don't even really try anymore. But now I'm gonna go through and just brush off some of this powder and blend it in with my bronzer. So and I got high cheekbones, like, see. But just going through and coloring them in so you can see them. I don't want to get rid of them with the makeup. That's that. What do I do next? Next, I do my mascara, and I've been using this Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline for years. Like, I don't remember what I was using before this. I've literally been using this since I started doing makeup, and I just stuck with it. They now have this like primer now you can put on it, and it gives your eyelashes a little bit more length. So I would go through with that first. And depending on my mood, I'll do one layer. Or, you know, I might do 2 or 3. Today I'm gonna do 2. I'm about done. So I go through now with my makeup mist setting spray, whatever. It's just so that, because my skin looks a little chalky almost, so I take this and just kind of spray it. I spray it kind of up and let it fall on my face. I don't spray it directly on my face, because 1, I don't like spraying stuff on my face, and 2, I just like it go spray it up and just kind of let it fall. And my air is kind of blowing it that way, so none of that really just got on my face. So let me try that again. There we go. I swear I was spraying and I was like, where is it going? The air is, I can see it when I looked up, the air was like blowing it that way. But yeah, so I let that sit for a second. I'm gonna go put my top on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look. Okay, y'all, I got my nice summer top. I got this at Ross, y'all, Ross. Like, this top is so cute from Ross. If you haven't shopped at Ross in a minute, you need to go ahead. It's like hit or miss. But when I go in there and they just put in their new inventory, I find some cute stuff. I bought so much stuff, like $150, and I got like 20 pieces. So yeah, I love this nice little summer top. So now I'm gonna go through and just highlight my face to finish off this look. And I'm using, what is this? CoverGirl again, full spectrum. I don't know how I got on that PR list, but I'm loving the stuff that they sent. But this is the full spectrum, what is it? Sculpt Expert, I don't know what it is. They highlight palette thing, whatever they call it. So it's really, really, really pigmented. So I just go through, literally touch my brush with it and make sure I, whatever that is, touch, and because otherwise it'd be looking crazy. Normally I use my what is it, the Crayon cases. Which one is it? I'll post the name of it here because I can't remember what the name of it, but I normally use that to highlight, but I've been using this lately, and I just go through and like pat it on my face with this little brush, because again, it's like very, very pigmented. And I don't even know if y'all can see, because I feel like when I be doing stuff and I can see it in person, it's like not resonating on camera because I'm not very heavy-handed. But that's just like my makeup style. I don't want to use stuff that's very heavy-handed, and I don't know, I just don't be feeling comfortable when stuff don't blend properly. But if you like that look, do you? Because I don't tell anybody how to live their life. This is how I live my life. I don't like that. But if you like it, I love it, sis. You know, if you like it, I love it. I don't even know if y'all can see this. I feel like you can't. But I swear it's there. But it's just like a nice subtle highlight. So then I'm gonna go through with the highlighter as well. And I just put a little bit on my eyes right here. I don't know why I like that look, but I like that look. Oh, y'all can see that. Cause I just see it I can see it pop up on my camera, but I don't know if you guys can see the difference with the other. And I take a teeny bit and run it under my eyebrow. Cause I like that look too. I like that, like when the sun, like y'all ever like sit in the mirror after you do your makeup and just kind of look at how the light runs across your face? I like how it looks when the light runs across and there's like a little bit of highlight right there. And my last step is lip gloss. I still wear lip gloss. My homegirl says she don't wear lip gloss, that's childish, but bitch, I wear lip gloss, so I'm childish. Call me childish. Okay, y'all, so this is it. Let me take this clip out my hair. This is my summer makeup look. Alright y'all, so this is it. This is the final look. Let me know if you guys want me to do some more makeup looks. I do dabble in eyeshadow. Not really that great at it, but all my stuff is beginner friendly, so if I can do it, you can do it, because I really don't know what the hell I be doing. I just be doing stuff. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know with some more makeup videos or any kind of videos that you want. Go on, head down to the description box and let me know. Bye.